Okay, so today the topic is cucumber. Okay, cucumber is another type of framework. Remember guys, cucumber is another type of framework. So we learned selenium. Okay, on top of selenium what we have added? Testng.
Testng.
Yes. Okay, now what we are doing actually, I am not using testng, I am using the cucumber. On top of selenium I am adding the cucumber. So cucumber is a framework. Okay, so like testng is a framework, we know that one. Like the same, we are also having one more framework which is cucumber. Okay, so these two different frameworks we are learning. Okay, so one of the framework learning is already done, and another framework we are learning today, which is cucumber. Okay, so if you understand testng very well, right, so understanding the cucumber is very easy. This is what I am telling in the previous days. Now you will understand why it is easy. Okay, but here the programming structure is little different when compared with our regular one. The programming structure is completely different. Okay, and remember guys, we are not learning any selenium, we are already done with the selenium. We are learning the framework. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, what is a cucumber? Okay, what is the use of that one? Okay, all those things we will learn. Okay, so now what I will do it is cucumber. If you see, I think you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so BDD. Okay, I'll send the complete abbreviation. So BDD stands for behavior development actually. Okay, behavioral data development. Okay, some people will call different terminologies actually. Okay, cucumber is a one of the BDD framework. Okay, cucumber is one of the BDD framework. Okay, so normally if someone is asking, do you have any experience on the BDD framework, you can straightforward, you can tell I'm having the good experience on the cucumber. Okay, if someone is asking BDD, you can tell cucumber. If someone is asking cucumber, you can tell the BDD. Okay, so BDD cucumber normally people call. And here we use a language called Gherkin. Here we use the language called Gherkin. Okay, I'll show put it here. Cucumber uses Gherkin language. Maybe you will be thinking, what is this? Okay, yeah, I was also thinking when in the beginning. Okay, what is this Gherkin? Okay, so Gherkin is a one of the language. Gherkin is the one of the language. Okay, we will learn that language. It's a 5 minutes of job. Okay, learning the Gherkin language. Okay, so it is having some like a given, when, then, and, but there are some statements are there actually. If you understand those like 4 to 5 statements, that is enough. Okay, apart from nothing is there in the Gherkin language. Okay, so normally what is a Gherkin? I will tell you here. Okay, it is a business readable. Okay, it is a business readable domain specific language that lets you describe software's behavior. Example, pop-up displayed, sorry, pop-up message is displayed when button are clicked and error are log on. Okay, so which means yesterday we learned, okay, which is like how to write the test cases in the Excel sheets. Okay, we learned some test cases, how to write. What we did actually, open the browser, navigate to automationpractice.com. Next step it is click on the sign in link. Third step it is enter the username password. So I have provided username and password. Okay, similar words we have to use in the Gherkin language. You will come to know that one. Okay, we have to use similar words, same like that. I'll show you otherwise. Okay, in the cucumber what we have to do it is we have to use like this. Open browser, navigate to www.automationpractice.com. I should put http, right, http colon 2 slashes. Okay, like this. What is the next second step actually? The second step here it is, okay, we have to do, click on the, what we have to do, click on the
Sign in button.
Sign in
Sign
link.
in button.
sign in
Sign in.
link. Okay, done. Okay, and then enter user,
Username and password.
I mean password. What is the username here? Santosh, otherwise digital cutlet. I'll put digital cutlet at gmail.com. Okay, the password is 123456. Okay, and next one it is verify. Okay, my account page displayed or not. That's it, right? So this is the steps. Okay, if you notice, we have written similar steps in the Excel sheets. Yes or no? We have written similar steps in the Excel sheet.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Perfect.
sir.
Okay, now what we are doing actually, such type of same steps we are writing in the Cucumber as well, but writing the steps like this, not like that one. Description, step, expected output, input, status. We don't write all those things. We write only single steps like this. This is a mandatory. Okay, this is a mandatory. When you execute this file, it will open the browser and navigate to automationpractice.com. It will so every time. So whenever it is running this step, right, automatically it is picking the automationpractice.com and then clicking on the sign in link. Okay, and then entering the username password and then verifying the page is displayed or not. So all these things it is doing actually. How it is doing? Okay, there should be some link, right? For this is a normal text. Yes or no? This is a normal text file. Okay, there should be some link between this text and our program. Okay, there should be some link between this text file and my selenium code. Okay, I will link that one. Okay, so whenever you are writing the test cases like this, right, this is called Gherkin language. Okay, so far it is good. Okay, you have written like, I mean we have written all these things, but what we have to do it is, in front of each and every line we have to give something. Okay, what you have to give something, which is in the first line what I am giving, given. Remember guys, I am using given. And second line, when. Okay, and again when. Okay, and the last one it is then I am using. Okay, see here, you maybe it is completely brand new for you. Okay, something okay, see here, all these keywords are brand new for you, I know. Okay, so these keywords are sorry, cucumber keywords. These keywords are cucumber keywords. Okay, first line always has to be given. Okay, and after that, if you are performing any job, right, at that moment you have to use a when keyword. If you're performing any job, right, at that moment you have to use when keyword. See this when keyword. Okay, and there is a one more command which is then command. Then needs to verify something. Normally whenever we are verifying, right, then what happened, then what is next. Okay, then what we have to do now. Okay, so there is a question mark in the then actually. So like the same here also, what is the question mark I have given here? Verify my account page is displayed or not. Okay, so after doing above three steps, check what is happening. Okay, I want to check something, so that's why I am using in the then. This is the one test case. Now let's write one more test case. Okay, which is create account. Okay, so for the create account also, I can copy first two links, first two lines. See, copy this, paste it, and then what I can use, when enter email id in create account section. What is the email id? Digital cutlet 2 I am giving. This is also when. Why? Because this is a normal one. And what we have to do, uh, now the regular steps, enter the username, enter the password, all those things we have to do. Okay, when, so you have to provide enter user name. What is the username? Sorry, username already given, right? It's the first name. Okay, digital. Okay, and the next one, all these are when comes under when only. Enter last name. This is cutlet. Enter password. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So like this we have to do, okay, for each and every field, or else you can summarize multiple fields as well. Okay, like this we have to. So all these comes under when. Okay, so see here, after completion of all the lines, what I will do, when click on the submit button, done. And the last one, I will use a then keyword here, then. Okay, then I will say that verify account is created or not. Okay, just try to understand what is a when, what is a then, and what is a given. Okay, does it
Sir,
clear now?
checkbox or radio buttons when?
All are when only here. Okay,
Okay.
everything comes under when only, so that's why I have given like this, some dot dot dot. Okay, all are when only. Okay, if you are verifying anything, you have to use then keyword. Okay, if you are doing any action, okay, what is the meaning of action? Clicking on something, entering something. Okay, that is called action. Okay, what is like a reaction? Reaction is nothing but verify something. Okay, nothing but you have given a username and password, you have to verify. That is then keyword. Okay, you click on the sign in link. Okay, and now you have to validate whether it is navigated to authentication page or not. At that moment, use then keyword. Okay, for verification we use the mute. Let me mute all, otherwise yeah, it is muted. Okay, so whenever you are verifying anything, at that moment you have to use then keyword. For the remaining things, you have to use the when keyword. Okay, apart from this given, when, then, we are also having few more keywords. Okay, which are and one more keyword but. Okay, I'm telling you, right, and but mostly people don't use. Okay, because that is not like a relevant actually. Relevant in the sense of normally people, I mean, Gherkin is giving some keywords, but mostly we use only these keywords only. So far it is clear how to
Yes, sir.
write. Ah, perfect. So now you know that this is a one test case and this is a one test case. We haven't given test case name so far. Yes or no? We haven't given, right? Yeah. So now what I will do, in the line number 1, I am typing scenario. Okay, scenario colon. Okay, now provide the test case name of the scenario. What you can provide the test case name? You can provide something like a uh, something sign in test case. So this is a test case name, and for this one also you can provide scenario create account test case 01, and this is also 0, something like that. So this is the test cases you can provide the name. Okay, so this some name I have given, that's it. If I wanted to go with another test case, right, I should provide, I cannot provide continuously like this. I can copy, I can paste this one, this will become 02. This is another test case. Yeah, sequence, perfect. And here I will use, instead of 1 2 3 4 5 6, I'll put something different number. The email ID is something 3 here. Okay, like that. So we should understand, right, what is the sequence. Okay, so that the names always should not be duplicate. Even in the testng also, if you are writing same method name multiple times, does it accepting?
No.
No, even here also it don't accept. Okay, unique always, every test case is a unique. Okay, yeah, like this. So 3 test cases we are having. Okay, as of now this file is having 3 test cases. Now yes, I will show you. not in this one. We are having one feature file. Okay, I will show you. I'll copy paste all these things over there. And now scenario, three test cases are done. Okay, so all these three test cases are done. So for all these three test cases, there is a one more keyword we have to use here, which is a feature. Okay, feature. Okay, here you have to tell a small description. Okay, what these test cases are doing actually, what are the test cases which you are writing in this file, some small like information, like this file is like created to verify the login test cases and create account test cases. Just mention that one like this. Okay, okay, here we are verifying the login and create account test cases. That's it. So this is how we have to write the Gherkin language file. So first it is feature, and then scenario, the name of the test case, and then given when then format you have to write the test cases. Okay, as of now this is a plain text. Remember guys, as of now this is a plain text. What we'll do it is we will convert this test cases in the to format of selenium actually. Okay, how we can convert all these things, how we can map. Okay, we will learn those things. Okay, so far it is clear.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay, so guys remember, if you explain these things, right, that is enough to get a job. Okay, if there are like some jobs are having requirement of cucumber as well. Okay, if you tell these keywords and all, right, that is enough actually. They will impress. Okay, they'll take you quickly. Why? Because with the help of like a 0 to 4 years of experience, having this much of knowledge, they will feel that you are a rock star. Okay, so that's why I'm telling, listen, concentrate, and practice as it is, and deliver the same in the interview. That is enough to get a job. That's how people are getting the job nowadays. And jobs are also more. The current market jobs are very more, especially any wherever you take the location, Hyderabad, Mumbai, whatever it is. Okay, so those things we can discuss later. So Gherkin is done. Okay, so as I said, we are having keywords, which is scenario keyword, we are done. Okay, feature keyword, we are done. Feature file, feature and feature file almost same only. I will show you. That is also indirectly it is done. We haven't learned the step, so scenario outline, step definition, and test runner. We will learn those things one by one. Okay, so now feature file, we know feature. What is the feature file? Feature file is nothing but whatever you have created, all these things. Okay, you have to store, right? Okay, you cannot store in the text file, we have to store in the feature file because it is a cucumber. Okay, see here, save as. Okay, I'm storing in the, see this. Okay, what you have to do it is uh, sign in test cases dot feature. See here, I'm using a feature keyword here. You have to use this keyword whenever you are saving the file, right? You have to use dot feature. This is very important. Okay, if you forget to use dot feature, right, our cucumber cannot understand this is a cucumber file actually. Okay, if you want to treat this file as a cucumber file, right, then at that moment you have to use the feature keyword. Without using feature keyword, nothing. Okay, am I clear?
Sir,
Sir,
Yeah, good.
sir,
And now,
after creating this file, if you forgot to uh, dot feature, so after renaming it, we can add it.
yeah, you can rename that one. Okay, so you know where is this file, so some assume that this is the file, right? So assume that you have given the .txt, unfortunately, like this. See here, you have given .txt. Okay, and now you are thinking that, oh my god, I have given the wrong. Okay, you want to correct that one, just click on the rename instead of that one, or like this. If you don't provide feature, it don't understand. Okay, if you provide the feature, then no need to understand actually our cucumber. So just try to understand this concept. Okay, what is a feature file? You learn now what is the feature. You learn now feature is nothing but heading. Feature file is nothing but a file. Okay, a file contains a feature heading and also multiple scenarios. Each scenario counts a test case. In the under the scenario, we are writing the given, when, then steps. Given is nothing but heading, the starting letter. Okay, open the browser, navigate something done. Okay, and then when is nothing but actions. Okay, then is nothing but checking the reactions. Okay, that's it. Think that one when store those things in your mind. Okay, and now we will start. Okay, so and now, so now we know what is a feature, what is a scenario, what is a feature file. Scenario outline, step definition, test on. We will learn sometime later in today only. Yeah, and now, so you got this already. Okay, and feature file, all those things we are done. Okay, in Cucumber, feature file contains scenario. We know that. Okay, we can simply create feature file with dot feature extension. Done. And scenario belongs to, okay, scenarios are belongs to a specific area of application will be grouped into the feature file. Nothing but whenever you wanted to write login test cases, right, at that moment, write all the login test cases inside the one of the scenario, one of the feature file. Okay, so create account, right, take one more file, another feature file, write it over there. Okay, like that you do that one. So don't club all together in a single feature file. It will be like a messy. Okay, so feature file example I have given already. And now, how to set up the Cucumber? This is the important thing. How do we set up the Cucumber? Okay, what to do, how to set up, and all those things. Let's learn. Okay, set up Cucumber. What is the first step? Download Java, install the same. It is already there on your machine. No need to do this one. And next one, download Eclipse with Java. Okay, development, and install the same. This is also you are having. Done. And next, okay, to run program in Gherkin language, okay, download and install the natural 0.9 plugin from the Eclipse marketplace. This is nothing but how we install the testng from the Eclipse marketplace. Like the same, we have to install the natural 0.9. Okay, so copy this, go back here, go to the help, Eclipse marketplace, and paste it here and click on the go, and you will see 0.9 plugin. I have already installed in my machine. See this natural 0.9. Natural is a set of plugins, okay, providing a smooth experience in editing and maintaining the BDD or ATTD files. Okay, the currently supported languages are Cucumber as of now. Okay, Gherkin. When you click on the more info, Gherkin syntax and JBehave. JBehave we are not using. Okay, the latter still early development stage. It's okay. Yeah, it is already installed. Okay, you don't need to do anything. It is already installed. So for you, you have to click on the install. Okay, it is for me. It is already installed. I don't need to do anything. Yeah, now click on the close. And now this is done. And now create a project using Maven. Okay, Maven. And now go back here, go to the file, click on here, click on the others, Maven project. Next, click on this, and why it is showing like this? It should be different location, right? It should be like this. Yeah, and then click on the next. Provide the name of the project, June Cucumber. June I am giving, it's July, right? JULY. Days are going fast. I'm still in the June. Okay, So my project is created. See, Cucumber July. It is created, done. And oh my god, something went wrong. Acha, it happened like this, huh? Let me do one thing. It's my mistake. Let me create in another way. Actually, what to do? Okay. Maven project. This is again taking testing class. Let me create a one folder here inside the testing class, which is Cucumber July project. Where is that? Yeah, it is done. That is my mistake actually. I created in the wrong way. Yeah, see here. Project creation is done. Okay. Project creation is done. The regular project, the regular like a Maven project, there is no rocket science here. This is also done. And now this is I have given. Okay. And next. Okay. Cucumber needs two jar files. Remember guys, Cucumber needs two jar files. Okay. Add the below dependencies in pom.xml to get those jar files. Okay. And also update the JUnit which is already existing in the pom.xml. Just go here. If you're having any JUnit, so go here. And luckily we don't have any JUnit, so no need to worry. Okay. So what I will do, I will remove some steps from here because it will confuse. So create a project and select Maven project, default work location. This is not required actually. Okay. And to and also update. This is also not required. Okay. Because now Maven is little advanced, right? I'm just updating the document. No need to worry. So what you have to do? Create the project and add the dependencies. That's it. You don't need to do anything. What are the dependencies? See here. These are the dependencies. You can get these dependencies from the outside as well. Okay, but I have given over here. So let me copy all these things and go back here and paste it here. Okay, paste it here. So if you notice, I am using lot of dependencies here. Okay, JUnit I am using, InfoCubes I am using, again InfoCubes Cucumber JVM I am using, and then I am also using the Cucumber JUnit. I'll repeat, the plain JUnit, Cucumber with Java, Cucumber with JVM, and Cucumber with JUnit. Okay, this is a default JUnit. It's okay. Okay, this with the help of this JUnit we are running the test cases, and as we are working with the Cucumber with Java, right? For that one, this is to run the test cases. This is for the results. Okay, all these things are required. Okay, with the if you wanted to work with the Cucumber. Okay, so it's plugins again. Okay, nothing to worry. Just copy paste any project. It will be like that only.
We need 4, sir.
Yeah, we need four all these things.
So, in order to get the dependencies from outside, is it the same Maven repository, sir?
Same whenever you are seeing any dependencies, right? You just need to go with like a Maven repository only. Why? Because we have created the project. How we have created the project? This is a Maven project. That's why we got the pom.xml. Okay, Maven project supports only Maven repository dependencies only. It don't support others. Okay.
But since we have a lot of plugins here, going to
Yes.
the Maven repository, if we give the cucumber as a search
Okay.
word, is that enough, or do we need to keep JUnit and everything there?
We need to memorize all these keywords. like a JUnit, Cucumber Java, Cucumber JVM, Cucumber JUnit. Okay, we need to memorize all these things and then we have to search for that one.
Okay, separately we have to keep adding everything.
Exactly.
Okay.
And sometimes it will provide you suggestions. You can also add these things. But this is a one-time effort. You are not doing this job regularly.
Okay.
And one more thing, one more problem here actually. See here, I am using all 1.2.5, 1.2.5 and 1.2.5. By any chance, if you are using something different version, if it is mismatching, right, it will throw in error.
But how do we know that particular version will suit?
Suit in the sense like we need to do R&D. See, this is a open source. Okay, you need to try with 1.2.6. Okay, then it will throw an error when you are running. Okay, we
Okay.
have to copy paste that error in the Google. Okay, in the Google someone will tell, one good guy, he or she will tell that okay, this is not supporting with 1.2.6, so you have to use a 1.2.5 only, they will tell. Okay,
Okay.
now we need to update over here.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, so there is no separate documentation for this one. Okay, so that's why I have given all together in one single file. Just copy paste. And remember, this is done by the QA architect, not by us. Okay, in the real time. Okay, we are just writing the test cases. You are not a QA architect. If you ask me, right, I am a senior architect. I have to do all these things. Okay, so I cannot ask you people to do all these things. Why? Because you all are juniors. Okay, so if I am unable to do, it is like my unfit. Okay, so as I am a
Okay.
senior, I can do all those things. I have to provide to you, all of you actually. That is my responsibility as a senior. Okay, in the company. Okay, so like that it will happen in the real time also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so done. Now coming back to the here. This is also done. And now three important terminologies are important. Okay, I am always keep on telling these words only. See this. Only these three terminologies. We are also having but and. But and there are two keywords, but very rarely we are using. We don't use also, just for the time being. Okay.
So
So
you given future file 93
in the feature file we are using these three things.
future
Okay. You can treat it as a feature or feature file. Feature file, why I have given in the sense, this is a feature file, right? Under the feature file, we are having a feature. Anything is fine. That's okay. Okay. And now coming back to the write Gherkin program. So I have given one sample program again and again. I am giving just for the uh, to remember and all. Okay. Yeah. So now the things are starting actually. So see here, for above steps, we need to write step definition in Java program. Remember guys, for above steps, we need to write the step definition in Java program. Okay, how to write it? Follow the below steps. Okay, so how to write the step definitions? See here, from Google, type tidy gherkin for Chrome. Okay, go to the Google, just type this one. Okay, and install the plugin for the Chrome. So I will show you. What you have to do it is go to the Google, type this tidy gherkin for Chrome. Click on this. There's a first link which is coming, chrome.google.com. So you can have some plugins, okay, to your Chrome extensions. So see this, I have already installed my plugin, so that's why it is showing launch app. Okay, for you it will show you install. Okay, when I click on this launch app, right, I will be getting some wizard. See this, can you see? This is a tidy gherkin software. Okay, this is a tidy gherkin software. Okay, what is the use of this one? I will tell you now. So come back to here. Now what I will do, go back to your project. This is done, right, project? And now there is a src test Java. As you know, we are from the day one we are using the src test Java only. So right click on this, go to the new, click on the folder or package. Okay, package name I am giving features. Any name you can give package name. Okay, features I am giving the package name. under the features package name, now I am writing the feature file. Okay, what is the feature file I wanted to write? Like this is sign in test cases. I am giving sign in test cases. Click on the finish. Okay, now I forgot. Okay, I just given sign in test case. I haven't given the name extension is feature. See this. It will happen. So go here, right click on this, go to the refactor, rename. At the end dot feature, and now click on the OK. Done. Just look at here. After giving the feature, how it is looking? It is coming in the green color circle. Yes or no? Green color circle is coming actually. Okay. Yeah. Now write feature colon. I think it is a capital F. I think this is always confusing me. Where is that feature capital I have given, right? Okay. Sign in test cases. It should come with the highlighted color actually. It is not coming. Why? Feature.
After giving
1
this
second.
space.
Space, no. After giving the space also, no. I will check. Just hold on. I am just thinking. Am I missing anything? Yes, okay. Perfect. There is no problem actually.
Test case is T caps lock.
That's okay. This can be anything. Okay. Let me do one thing. Let me update the project.
Update. Yes.
So right click on this, go to the Maven, click on the update project, click on this and click on the OK. So project is updated. Close this and open again. Still it is not working, man. Just wait. This is working properly. Let's see. Semicolon. Okay. Earlier we haven't given the space. Okay, it was not working. After giving the space also it is not working. Maybe it has taken some time. I did not do anything. Maybe to update the project and all, right, it took some time actually. Now it is working fine. No
Sir,
issues.
project name should be capital. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, so now it is okay, no issues. Okay, so scenario I am giving. Okay, the name of the scenario, it is sign in test case 001 I am giving. Okay, let's go back here. We have already written, right, few of the test cases. Let's copy paste them. Okay, just copy paste these two. Create account will create somewhere else. Yeah, copy paste. Okay, done. So this is done. Okay, do the same thing for the another file, so which is create account, right? Go here, file, create account, test cases dot feature. Done. And now here feature colon create account test cases, and go back here, copy this and paste it. I don't want to use this dot actually. This is also done. Okay, and some other test cases create account also. I can go with the create account test case also, right? Sorry, contact us test cases dot feature. Okay, feature colon contact us test cases. Okay, scenario colon contact us test case 001. Okay, so what is the first step here? This one, right? I have to do, and after that copy paste that one, and when, okay, when click on the contact us link, okay, and then verify contact us page
open or not, display or not.
displayed or not. So see here, now I am having three test cases, sorry, three feature files. Okay, each feature is file is having some different test cases. Okay, so the still it is a plain text only, remember guys, still it is a plain text only. There is no selenium is added in my project so far. There is no selenium in my project. Now let's add the selenium in my project. So how to add and all I will show you. So go back here. Is that, yeah, okay, I think I haven't given the step, okay, to add the selenium. So I think you know already how to add the selenium. So go back to the previous project. Okay, not this. Where is that? Selenium June pom.xml, and this is the selenium dependency, right? Okay, copy the selenium dependency and paste it in the cucumber project. Save it. That's it. So selenium dependency is added to my project. Now I can add the selenium steps as well. And now so selenium is added, that is okay. And now go back to the these three files. Let's learn what is these three files actually. And there is a one more thing. You see this. If you notice, three files are there. Okay, as of now this is a plain text. Now what we'll do it is we'll link some step definitions. Okay, we have to link some step definitions for each and every step. Okay, so how many steps are there total? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. Total 19 steps are there. For all these 19 steps, okay, we need a one step definition. How many steps are there? Total 19. Okay, what we have to do it is for each step we have to write one step definition. Remember guys, okay, for each step we have to write some step definitions. Okay, so how to write I will show you. Okay, so now how many duplicate steps are there here? So this is a duplicate step. Okay, and this is a duplicate steps, this is a duplicate step, and this is a duplicate step, and this is also duplicate step, and this is also duplicate step. Yes or no?
Sir.
All these are duplicate steps, the one which I have highlighted. So which means I have used open browser navigate to show it's a website. How many times I have used? 1 2 3 4 times I have used. Okay, 4 times I have used. So which means 19 minus 1, how much it is now? 19 minus 4,
18, sir.
sorry, 15.
15.
15 now. Okay, and there are some other duplicate steps which are sign in link. Okay, 1 2 3 times I have used. Okay, so which means I can tell only I have only, I need only one step. Okay, so which means again 3 times I have used. Just to hold on, some important call. Hello. Yeah, some vaccination call. Okay, so and now it is 3. How much it will become?
12.
12. Okay, so this 4 and this 3 I have removed completely. Actually, for this 4 steps I need to add at least one step, right? So that's why one step here and another one step here. So total will become 12 plus 1 plus 1. How much it is? 14 steps I have to write now. Okay, 14 step definitions I have to write. Okay, you will come to know. Just try to understand this one. While implementing, you will understand. So what I will do, see this. I am copying this entire thing. Copy this. We have already tidy gherkin, right? See this. Tidy gherkin. Come back here. Right click on this. Paste it here. That's it. Okay. So when you copy paste the entire test case, okay, so it is coming as it is. It is coming. Okay. Now what you do it is from the same. Click on this Java steps. Click on that Java steps actually. Okay. And now I am clicking on the Java steps. See, when I have given the Java steps, it is giving some information here. Okay. See that. Okay. So see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many steps it is giving total? 4 steps.
4.
4 steps.
4. But here how many steps are there? 3 plus 3. 4. Sorry, 4 plus 4, right? Here 4 steps and here also 4 steps. Okay. But what intelligently what it is giving actually it is giving only 4 step definitions. Why? Because these are duplicated already. Yes or no? These are duplicated. So that's why it is giving only 4. Now what we have to do it is copy this 4 lines. Sorry, copy this 4 Java methods. Okay. And remember here the Java method how it looks. Okay. The first one it is given here and see here also it is a given. Here what I have given, open the browser, navigate to something. Okay. See here is also open the browser and navigate to some expression it is giving actually. Okay. Some expression is nothing but you are giving the regular expression over there. Okay. It is working based on the regular expression. Whatever you can give anything over here, it will accept this regular expression. And one more thing, this is a annotation given and now open browser navigate to something it is giving actually. So which means it is creating a one method for a step. For a step it is giving one annotations and also it is creating a one Java method. Okay. Under that one implementations as of now nothing is there actually. You can implement whatever you want. Okay. As of now I did not implement it. So what I will do, I'll copy paste all these things. Don't confuse. Just to copy paste. Copy this. Go back here. Let me keep all these things. Let me keep it. Perfect. And now step definitions, right? Future files are done. And now create a one more package. Package name is step definitions. For each step we are writing the step definitions. Okay. So I have created the step definition package. Under the step definitions I am writing the step definitions class file. Okay. Step definition. Okay. Click on the finish. So this is a step definition file. And now what you do it is copy as it is. Copy these lines, minimize this, just paste it. That's it. You don't need to do anything. Everything is ready made already here. Okay. And go to the file, click on the save. And it is throwing some errors actually. Okay, you know that one. Place your mouse over here. It will ask you to import that one. See this? Import given cucumber.api.java.en. That's it. It is done. And go here. Again cucumber.api.java.even for the import when. Done. That's it. And for each and every line it is giving some a small step implementation actually. We are not implementing that one. Just delete that one. whatever it is available, delete that, delete this, and delete this one as well. And one more error for the then, right? Import then also. And now it is done. And see here, we have implemented the steps for the sign in. Where is sign in page? Feature file. See it, sign in feature file, it is here. Now what I will do, I am clicking on the control. See here, I am clicking on the control from my keyboard, and I am trying, see, can you see the hand symbol here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am getting all the hand symbols, okay, because I have implemented the step definitions for all these steps. But if I go to the contact us, if I click on the control, and if I go to the given, for the given it is showing hand symbol, but for these two, does it showing hand symbol?
No.
No, sir.
No.
No. Why? Because step definition is implemented for the open browser navigate to automationpractice.com, but there is no step definition for the these two steps, which is these two. Click on the contact us and then verify contact us. We do not have that steps actually. Okay, so that's the reason it is showing that one. So what I will do, I am closing all the feature files. See, if you notice, for each and every feature file it is showing some these marks actually. Okay, let me close all these things and I'll open now. First I'll open the test cases. See this, still it's showing all the any warnings now, yellow color warnings.
No, no, sir.
No. Why? Because we have implemented the steps, that's why it is showing no warnings. And go back to the create account. So for the create account, it should show warnings actually. Just to hold on, why it is not showing? Right click, refresh. It should show warnings actually, it is not showing the warnings. It's a very bad if it is not showing. So anyway, okay, even though it is not showing, but if you click on the control, for this one it is showing the hand symbol. Does it showing hand symbol for contact us? No. Does it showing like a hand symbol for the verify contact us page? No. Why? Because we do not have the step definition. Okay, to know the step definition, what we have to do it is just click on the control. When you click on this, when you click on the hand symbol, right, it is navigating to the step. See here, even here also, click on the control and click on this, it is navigating to the proper step. Okay. Like that. So this is how we have to do. Okay, so as of now we have implemented only for the sign in. And now go back to the sign in implementation file, just to put some message. Still I am not writing any selenium code here, guys. Okay, put some messages here. What is the messages actually? Okay, I am from open browser, put some small messages. Okay, I am from, okay, sign in link. And now I am from username and password. And see this, I am from my account page. Just a small implementation I am doing actually. So writing the sysouts also it is done, or implementation, whatever you think, it is done. And now go back to the sign in. So for all, everything is implemented over here. Okay, now let's run this file. Okay, let's run this, okay, file. So right click on this, go to the run as cucumber feature. I am clicking on the run button. Okay, when I click on the run button, see, it is showing I am from open browser, I am from sign in link, I am from username and password, I am from my account. Does it showing properly? It is showing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is showing properly. Perfect. Okay, and also it has given all these things, and you can see here 2 scenarios, 2 passed, 8 steps total. 2 scenarios contains 8 pass. This is also done. And now this is how you have to implement. Okay, but in general you are not supposed to run this file in general. Okay, in general you are not supposed to run this file. Actually there is a one mechanism. We are having test runner. With the help of test runner we have to run the test cases. Where is the test runner? See here, I have given test runner. Okay, what is the test runner? See here, to run test runner it needs feature file. Yes, we are having the feature file. Okay, using test runner we run the test cases, nothing but our feature files only. Okay, how to set up the test runner? Below are the steps. Okay, create a new package called cucumber options. Create a package of cucumber options. Again in the src test java, create a new package cucumber options. Done. And now go back here. What is they are telling? Create a java file. What is java file? Example test runner. Copy this. Remember, use the same names. Okay, whatever I have given. Why? Because in the real time people are using the same names. Done. And now go back here. Okay, add the below code under the same. What is the code actually? See this, start and end. So you have to copy this code, go back here, delete this whatever I have created, and then again copy this one and again paste it and save it. Perfect. Done. Okay, so if you notice this file, this is a just a plain public class create a file, but before class I have given some annotations. What is that annotation? Run with cucumber class cucumber options. I have given features is equals to where is my feature file located. My feature file is located at which location? src test java under the features. Okay, src test java slash feature. See this, src test java, location of the feature file you have to provide in the feature. And then what you have to do it is glue. Glue is nothing but where is your step definitions for the feature files. Okay, so see here, there are some issues actually. Okay, 4 scenarios total it ran. Okay, there are some missings. Okay, see here, and if you notice here in the left hand side there are some pass and fail. Let's do one thing. This we can discuss what is this one, which is a JUnit. Okay, and what is this one, why it is showing like this. Okay, 19 steps undefined. Okay, what are all these things? Okay, why it is showing pass and why it is showing undefined. Okay, I'll come to that one tomorrow. Okay, so we need to learn these things. Okay, as I always tell that we need to learn from the errors. Okay, I wanted to generate some errors and why it is showing pass here. Okay, and why it is showing undefined here. Okay, let's learn those things. For now what you do it is just do whatever we have discussed today till now, just practice as is. Okay, and tomorrow what I will do, I will show you what is the errors and all. I'll show you the resolution and as well. Okay, and tomorrow what we'll do it is we will start implementing the selenium with our regular page object model. What I will do it is I'll copy the page object model files whatever we have right in the previous project. I'll copy that complete package and I'll paste it over here, and how to use that one. And also I am creating the one test base file also. What is the test base and how it looks. Okay, there is some small change in the test base. I'll show all those things tomorrow. If possible we'll complete tomorrow, else day after tomorrow. Okay, yeah, so there is a question, in real time we have to create pom.xml. All this type of installations are they created? They will give you the pom.xml and complete project to you. You don't need to do anything on the pom.xml. Why? Because you all are juniors, you don't need to worry about the pom.xml. Whatever they are giving, just to copy paste. You just need to concentrate only on the writing the test cases in the automation. This configuration stuff, right, Teja? It will be done by the seniors.
Yes, sir.